Hi, in this video I will tell you about a very important feeding of cucumbers. Because you often ask questions in the comments about what is going wrong with your cucumbers. Cucumber babies turn yellow and fall off. Cucumbers do not ripen. Also, their leaves are small and yellow. Or with a yellow border. What is going on? Look at my cucumbers right away. You see that the leaf is large, the leaf is green. There are no signs of a lack of nutrition. And basically, it is the leaves that signal about any lack of nutrition. And we need to take urgent measures. Let me remind you what I fed cucumbers this year. At an early stage of growth, when there were still small shoots, I watered them with yeast infusion, so that they grow faster. Then there was an infusion of cow manure, a nitrogen fertilizer with micronutrients. Then, for diseases and for better assimilation of trace elements from the soil, I fed milk. All these videos are on my channel. Be sure to check them out. I will also add them here in the upper right corner in the tips. Well, now that the cucumbers are already in this phase. Look, full fruiting has already started. This cucumber is already ripe, it is 4 inches, it needs to be removed. By the way, I'll show you how cucumbers are removed correctly. Take a cucumber, and press your thumb to the side, that's the right way to remove cucumbers. So as not to harm the bush. And at this moment it is necessary to give a complex fertilizer, which will remove the above symptoms, and help the plant develop and bear fruit normally. Before applying fertilizers, remove all the already ripe cucumbers. And those that are still in such a small condition are not removed, you can safely feed them. And cucumbers need to be fed with potassium humate. It can be used as dry potassium humate, which is sold in powder, as well as liquid. I have repeatedly shown you the use of this fertilizer on my channel. I have proven it for myself. Moreover, it can be used on all garden crops. Firstly, humate is rich in humic and fulvic acids. Also in potassium humate there are many trace elements, such as magnesium, boron, potassium, calcium, various vitamins. All this is necessary for cucumber when it enters fruiting. Because now the consumption of food from the soil is very large, and it needs to be replenished so that all the cucumbers that you have do not turn yellow. They didn't fall off. We do this feeding necessarily. It is necessary to breed strictly according to the instructions. Because different manufacturers write different dosages. But they are all listed on the package. It is necessary to feed it after watering. First pour the cucumbers, and then after a couple of hours, make a top dressing with potassium humate. Dilute humate in warm water, namely street temperature. Because cucumbers do not like cold watering, as well as cold top dressing. So that you don't hurt them. Since their root system is superficial, and they stop growing from cold water, the fruits can grow crooked, and yellow spots will also begin to appear on the leaves. Therefore, friends, if you have signs of a lack of nutrition that I told you about, this is yellowing of the leaves. The leaves themselves are pale, and the growth of cucumbers is also weak. Then this top dressing, which I just told you about, will fix everything, and it will be fast enough. Within a day you will already see the result. Also, friends, do not forget to form cucumbers correctly. As you can see, I have no suckers. I have already shown all these videos on my channel, be sure to come and see. I wish you good health and great harvests. See you in the new videos.